we have one more exercise number 24. So first of all, you can see here we start from the base. First of all, draw this rectangle 26 by 12 height and extrude up to 100 At the end of this extruded chamfer is given. The chamfer is unequal unsymmetrical chamfer. After we draw this another rectangle 20 by 70 and extrude up to 40 then we draw the another rectangle 20 by 35 rectangle coincide with this edge and extrude up to 70 at the one edge of this rectangle. Make this 25 radius. Now then after we make these circular parts and at last of this one make this hole 12 diameter hole deep 60 So first of all we start geoparametric. Now our working window is open, so select this sketch and front plane. Draw here the rectangle. Dimension is given here 26 This one is a half of 26 and height is 12 Okay, now select the extrude. Select enter here 100 opposite direction 100 Okay, now change the view. Okay, yellow. Now make the chamfer. Select chamfer. From here select the D1, D2 means that 2 dimension unsymmetric. Here enter 10 and 12 because here 12 at the vertical side and 10 in horizontal side. So here the opposite, flip the direction 12 vertical and 10 in horizontal. Now make the another rectangle. Select this face. Okay, draw the rectangle 20 by 70 and extrude up to 40 Draw the rectangle, give the dimension 70 This one is a half of 70 Select coincide this edge and height is 20 Now this rectangle extrude up to 40 opposite direction. Okay, now we make this another rectangle 20 length and 35 height and extrude up to 70 throughout. So select sketch, select this face. Okay, select rectangle, select coincide with this edge, give the rectangle dimension 20 This one is a 35 Now one make the arc 25 so not in center. Draw the one circle, give the diameter 25, tangent this edge and this one. Now this one is not a proper radius, so delete this one. Now select the arc, select arc, make to tangent it, select tangent, and from this one tangent. Now give the dimension 20 mm. So point vertical point is deleted. Enter a 25 mm. Now this both is equal. Delete. The arc dimension is 20 mm. Delete this arc, draw the another. .25 mm. Make the tangent this one. Equal length. Delete. So here the tangent, also this one is a tangent. Select the trim, cut the remaining. Okay, now extrude this one opposite direction and up to selected. Okay, now select the sketch, draw here the arc 16 mm radius. Select the circle, center arc, give the radius 16 mm. Select coincide, select this point, connect both end. Okay, select extrude up to selected. Okay, now make the hole here. Select the sketch, the same center from the edge, 12 plus 20. Hole diameter is 12 mm. 12 mm hole diameter and depth is 60 mm. Okay, select the extrude, enter here 16 mm opposite side. Okay, now our exercise is done. Our model is ready. Now you can see here the small radius is given. So select the round, with the help of control select the both side, enter the 3 mm radius, view, Now thanks for watching these videos.